Right, today we're going to bring a small cordless leaf blower. Now this one is very powerful. They give you not just one battery, but they give you two. If you notice, one is a little larger than the other one because one lasts a little longer, right? So you can use either or both if you want. You have a charging station for each battery, all right, one at a time. This thing has an elbow here, so you could break it down to half of this size, and the motor, all the power comes from one end here. And of course, this can be manipulated to go left or right. So if you're righty or lefty, you could change this around. It's a holder. It has one power source that you have to push, one trigger, and that's it. There's no lever of safety or anything like that, and that's pretty much it. Now the actual fan, it's a little loud because it's a jet fan that we hear, but this thing is extraordinarily really good, really powerful, really simple to put together and use out of the box. So if you're looking for a great small portable leaf blower, those that work in the field and have something that needs something emergency, perfect. Now, like I said, it's half of the size. Show you guys how to take it apart, right? Because we're gonna put it back in the box. You got your instructions too. So we got our batteries in it. To take it apart and to put it together, it's the same way, all right? Just one twist, it comes out. Now you have a little notch here that belongs in the bottom, but this thing folds into half of it. You guys can see that half of the space goes into the box. Now you can also remove this part to make it even lighter and better. So this is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.